And it goes a little something like.
Hello, good morning, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley, and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Today, I'm starting this vlog at my desk, because I wanted to just quickly go over with you guys that, well, first I'm doing a day in life as an esthetician, and I'm pretty booked today, but I wanted to go over the fact that I am going to be, like, putting myself on, like, a health journey. And I do want to like lose a little weight, but it's not even about that. I just want to be like more healthier and put healthier stuff in my body. And I've been working out a lot more, and yeah, and I just wanted to start that as my vlog. You guys can hold me accountable, make sure I'm eating healthy things. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to work, and then yeah, I also am going to maybe later try and design like a PDF, because you guys have been asking for like a PDF describing how to do a Brazilian with like pictures and stuff, and I could totally do that. So yeah, I'm gonna like figure out how to do that, and then hopefully I can get it up. Hopefully I can get it up in this vlog. But I'm gonna go downstairs now, go eat. I'm gonna set up my makeup because I have a bridal trial, and I have my bridal binder with my contract right there, so I'll leave that right there. And then let me set this up really quickly. Also, this was in the garage and there was a spider on it, so that's nice.
On your cheeks, 'cause baby in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love.
I'm pretty much set up for the most part. I'm going to open my door, and if she's out there then she'll come in. Okay, I just finished my bridal trial. She signed the contract and everything, which is good. And I just cleaned up my makeup with like not even thinking about it. But I am doing 3 brow waxes at my house. So I was like, let me grab some stuff to take with me. What should I take it in? So that I could bring it home for them, so I could do them from home. Because that's my 3 friends. So hold on. I'm gonna start grabbing some stuff that they need. Grab some sticks. Little take-home bag of doing brows at home. I think I'm gonna stop at Cosmoprof and buy some wax too, so that I could just keep that wax there. I know my mom would appreciate it. I'll have wax already at the house, so that I could just do her brow waxes there. Hold on. And then I don't even have to make her come here sometimes. But yes, let me leave that. Gather my stuff. Okay. And let's go to my house. Okay, it is actually the next day. Oh, I'm gonna go to my studio because I have a Brazilian, and then I also have a haircut today. And I wanted to give you guys like an update on my apartment because I have to go there later and do some cleaning with my mom. So I was like, whatever, I could bring you guys with me for that. I just put on my Biosense Lip Balm. I've been like loving this lately. I've just been putting it on. It's so nice. I have a discount code for you guys too with Biosense, so I will put that on the screen. And I want to go into detail later about my updated skincare routine because I've been incorporating them in my skincare, and I've also just been like trying out new products, so I will go over that later. But I need to go to my studio and do this Brazilian, and then I'll go to my apartment, then I'll get my hair done, and I'll go back to my apartment. But let me do that right now. I just got here. I saw my client outside and I was like, oh my god, she's here 30 minutes early. That's fine. But I closed the door because I was like, let me get ready. Let me put this down.
You by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights. Living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love, oh, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love it.
Okay, already. Okay, I just finished that Brazilian. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. Like, does anybody do Brazilians and you're like sweating? Anyways, speaking of Brazilians, I wanted to mention that I am making the PDF file that you guys can be able to like print and put in your studios right now, and I'm hoping by the time I'm editing this video I could link it for you guys. See if I can find it. I couldn't find it on my phone. It's on my computer, but basically it's like in detail what waxes I use, contraindications, a large like description on Brazilians, and then pictures, which I can show you, like pictures on how to do a Brazilian. I have them all like right here. Wait, can you see? Can you see? Wait, hold on. Okay, so I did like these, and I like did like little strips, these little pictures, to show you guys, and then I have like descriptions next to the picture to like kind of show what I'm doing in the picture. I didn't want to use like real models because I feel like, I don't know, I mean, if you want that I could probably ask somebody I know and they'd be willing to do it. But yeah, I have that getting made right now and I'm very excited, and you guys could like keep it in your studios because I know people are wanting to like do Brazilians better, and I feel like I didn't even go over it in school that well. I just have been watching videos for 3 years, and then I had a teacher like specialized in Brazilians and she went over it in detail with us and it was like really helpful. Wait, what is that? She helped me a lot. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna close this where you guys were sitting on. And I'm done for the day. I just had that Brazilian. I'm sweating from doing it, literally. Wow. Okay, so here's what the apartment is looking like. We have basically sold all of our furniture that's in here, like our table and chairs, our couch. I took the mirror. We do have to kind of decide what to do with this. We're not too sure right now. And then we're gonna have to get rid of that. And then here's my room. Oh, I did leave a box. I wasn't sure if I left a box. Okay, well, I do have a box here. And I have to take like all this stuff. Shoot. I do have some stuff in my closet. Nothing in here though. And then my closet should be, or my bathroom's empty. Also, I think I just walked through a spider web, so that's nice. But yeah. I'm gonna miss this apartment with Kylie. It kind of sucks. Here's this. Like, I can't believe it's already over. But yeah, I need to like obviously clean in here. I'm gonna put this over here. And yeah. How crazy. Look at my room. So sad. Okay, I just put like a bunch of stuff in boxes. I filled this box with like random stuff that was in my closet still. These are from the closet, but like I was just walking around and it's just kind of like sad that I'm like moving back home and like not living with Kylie anymore. And I was just like looking at my room and I just loved living here. So it's like kind of sad, but it's okay. All my vlogs were here and in my other apartment too actually. But you guys saw me move into this and now you're watching me move out, which is like so weird. Did I grab everything in here? Yeah. I don't know. It's just weird. We have 4 more days now in this apartment before we have to be 100% out. And it's just crazy, you know? Okay, I'm on my way to get my haircut now. This is what it looks like before. It's really long right now, and I don't like it this long. So I'm gonna cut it. So yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like after.
You by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child living.
I love when doing styles by Mari.
Yes. Okay, I just got my hair done, and it looks really good. If you can see it. I got it like way shorter and she curled it and made it look super cute. But now I'm gonna go get my mom and I think we're gonna go to my apartment and do more cleaning. But yeah, this looks really good. I'm hungry too, I need to eat something. Yeah. Okay, I just pulled up to my house and I'm gonna show you guys my haircut one more time. And I just got Dunkin'. I got iced coffee with oat milk. I feel like oat milk tastes so much better with the iced coffee from Dunkin'. Just like spit. But yeah, I got oat milk with coffee. We'll bring that inside and see what my mom's doing because we have to go back to my apartment. But yeah, let me go inside really quick and see what she's doing. What's happening?
Do you have a broom?
Well, then I was showing our progress in my vlog.
Do you have a broom?
I do.
Because there's hair stuck to the wall I have to take it off. It doesn't have a stick thing.
Okay. It does have a stick.
Where?
Right here. Mom. This thing.
What?
Meow.
That's the stick that you go along the wall with?
Yes.
Doesn't have some.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of
So I've been
bed.
working really hard on this and I wanted to show you guys. This is going to be linked down below. It is my step-by-step full Brazilian. I go over the consultation, I go over contraindications, I go over wax I like, prepping the skin, all the steps to a Brazilian. And yeah, like these are just pictures. And I just think it's really helpful. And I hope you guys think so too. And yeah, I will link them down below. Okay, it is time for bed. I am gonna light my candle. Skincare routine and I'm going to show you guys some of the products I've been using lately, but let me put my hair back in a clip. My new fresh haircut, see how it is in a claw clip? Cute. Okay. So I'm gonna start with my Tula cleanser. And I'm gonna use about this much and wash my face really quick. Wash my face for about a minute. Take my towel. Pat dry. I'm gonna take this new facial oil that I've been trying, that I actually have been loving lately, the Biosense Squalene Vitamin C Rose Oil, and I'm gonna put this on my face first, and then I'm gonna put my Glow Baby Vital Lotion from Pacifica. But Biosense was so kind to give you guys a discount code, which I will link down below, with this gift set in it. I'm gonna take about this much, and I'm gonna lightly pat that into the skin. And this is super good for holding in hydration. It has squalene in it, which is really good for hydration. And I'm gonna just kind of pat that in. What squalene does, is it mimics the body's natural way of hydrating the skin. So it's really good to have in like an oil or in a moisturizer, because it keeps weightless moisture to your face, which I think is really beneficial. If you use my code, you get 15% off of this like gift set that I have going on. And it's called, well, the code is Sunshine15, so you'll get 15% off these products. I have my lip moisturizer that I showed you guys earlier, and then I also have been using their weightless sunscreen, their zinc sunscreen, like the mineral one, and it's just been super good. It has 30 SPF in it, which is really beneficial because it's super hot here and I've been going in the sun. But yeah, so I have a discount code Sunshine15 for you guys. I'll link that down below. And then I'm going to be going in with my Pacifica lotion. Put it on my hands. Pat in first. But yeah, the lip balm I've been using a lot, and I love the Laneige lip mask as well, which I have in my dresser. Or not my dresser, my desk by my bed. So I might throw some of that on as well. But basically that's all I've been doing, because I feel like less is more lately. I just like to have a nice either serum or oil for night, and then a moisturizer, and then a cleanser. And I feel like that's like more than enough. Yeah, so that is what I've been using. And this cleanser. I think I used this cleanser in my last skincare routine, but I like that one. I think it's good. So I'm all ready for bed, and now I'm just gonna lay in my bed and watch some shows and some YouTube videos maybe. I don't know, just want to relax. But yeah, that is my skincare routine. Take my hair down.